Good morning, grade 3. I hope everybody is doing well. So today we'll be continuing the third chapter, that is the food story. That day we talked about the various kinds of utensils, the raw and the cooked food, the various kinds of appliances used in the kitchen. Today we'll be talking about the various methods of cooking. The various methods of cooking are boiling, frying, steaming and baking. These are the four most common methods of cooking the food. As you can see in this picture, there are so many methods of cooking. Baking, searing, barbecuing, deep frying, sauteing, roasting, shallow frying, stir frying, pan frying, grilling. But in this chapter, we'll be talking about only four methods of cooking, that are boiling, frying, steaming and baking. As you can see in this picture, the water is being boiled in a vessel. Here only the water is being boiled. The food is also prepared with the method of boiling. Yes, the food is boiled and cooked. It is one of the most common methods of cooking. We can boil the food items like some of the vegetables like potato, the rice, pulses and the eggs. I know many of you would be eating boiled eggs, isn't it? So this is the most common method of cooking, that is the boil. The next method of cooking the food is frying. As you can see in this picture, a lot of oil is being used to cook the food, and this process is being called as frying. Frying is of two types. One is shallow frying and one is the deep frying. For deep frying, we use a wok or a kadai and lots of oil. In this picture, as we can all see, lots of oil is used. So it is the deep frying. Deep frying is basically used for frying samosas, pakoras, etc. And it is done with the help of a wok. Coming to the next type of frying, that is the shallow frying. Shallow frying is the type of frying in which less amount of oil is used. It is normally done in a pan. As you can all see, less amount of oil is used in this picture and the food is being fried, but it is the shallow frying and it is done in a kind of pan. Coming to the next method, that is steaming. Have you ever seen or eaten momos or the dim sums, which are known as dim sums in some parts of our country? These are the momos which are eaten by steaming it up. Food is cooked with the help of steam in a pressure cooker basically, and these are the momos which are generally cooked in these kinds of baskets or vessels. This method of cooking is healthy because not many nutrients are lost in this process. While we cook the food, loss of nutrients take place. All the nutrients basically just are flown away due to the heat given to it. But in this, when we do steaming, lots and lots of nutrients are still left in the food. Idli is another food which is prepared with the process of steaming. This kind of vessel is used for preparing idli. This vessel is basically kept inside a cooker, or there is a different kind of vessel also which is in today's day available in the market. So this was all about steaming. Baking. Now we'll be talking about baking. Have you ever seen your mom baking a cake for you in a microwave oven? Yes. So she bakes the cakes. A cake is always baked. A baker bakes the cakes. So this is a very nice method in which tasty food is prepared. And baking is basically done for preparing cakes, breads and cookies. It can be done by using some of the electrical appliances like OTGs or microwave ovens. A quick recap. Today we all talked about the various methods of cooking like boiling, frying, steaming and baking. Please read the chapter and go through the module which I will be sharing on the portal. Thank you.